Hello, today I want to show you how to create a very simple peeling for your face. I use this regularly and I find it very effective, very simple, so I decided to share it with you. And I will use just simple ingredients like Himalayan salt, coffee, and avocado oil. First of all, of course, you always disinfect everything, so all of this, as it is, do it yourself, but still, I wiped it all clean with alcohol. And the first thing I do is I put the Himalayan salt inside the container. So let's put 2 spoons. And the salt will be creating that peeling effect and also disinfect my skin. But don't put too much because then it's too rough on your skin. And depending on how sensitive your skin is, this may or may not work with you. You might want to use sugar. I always make sure that it's organic and best possible for my skin. So this was Himalayan salt, I'll put it away. And then I put in coffee. This is also organic coffee, smells awesome. Unfortunately, I can't drink coffee, so this is one way I can consume it. And you put more coffee, so as you see, I put 2 spoons, but they're very full spoons. Then I have a third one here, and I will use just the corner of it to blend it. And you can play with the ratio. This is the one that works for me, so I guess it's like 1/3 salt, 2/3 coffee. And coffee is great for tonifying skin, and I am in my 40s, so I enjoy that. And just to make it more smooth, I put in some base oil, and in this case I use avocado because it will nicely also, it's nice for aging skin, but also nice for the texture. So I will put avocado, I guess also 1 spoon, but it depends on the consistency you want. Maybe you want it more dry, maybe you want it more oily. I do enjoy it, let's say somewhere in between. But that's it. That's very simple. I can use it every day, almost every day. You can see how much you need to use it, and let me know if this is something you enjoy, if you try it out. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon. Bye.